going to be a very simple product showcase video. We have 4 physical buttons here: PDF, auto scan, copy, and email, which I've covered with a scan label. At the back of the device there is a mini USB port as well as a serial number. This is the lid itself and the glass surface. Flipping the device over, there's 4 plastic feet on the bottom of the device, a lock button, as well as molded into the plastic wording. So let's go ahead and plug this into a computer. And let's just go show you how it can, how fast it can go. Scanning at the minimum DPI on my scanning software, 100 DPI. We'll do A5. So I can do much deeper scanning. Let's crank it up to 600 dpi.